What's up, y'all? We are on the East Inlet Trail in Rocky Mountain National Park, Grand Lake side. Sun's just starting to come up. It's almost 7 a.m. We are a little over 4 miles into the East Inlet Trail. Expecting some bad weather today. A little bit of snow, a little bit of rain by 11 a.m., 12 p.m. So we're trying to get an early start. Gonna try and hit up as many of these lakes back here in the East Inlet as possible. We're gonna go for Lone Pine Lake, Lake Verna, Spirit Lake, Fourth Lake, and Fifth Lake. We're getting close to our first destination of the day, Lone Pine Lake. Should be coming in to view here shortly. All right, guys, here we are. First lake of the day, Lone Pine Lake. Right, so there's Lone Pine Lake. I'm at 7:50 a.m. and I already got my feet muddy and wet. We're kind of in a hurry to get to these lakes today, so we're not going to spend too much time there. May take some more pictures on the way back. We are on to the next lake. Looking at Niagara Falls Junior right here. Passing the Solitaire campsite. All right, we're roughly 7 miles into this trail. It's about 8:25 a.m. and we're getting closer to Lake Verna. Should be up here shortly. Yet another campsite sign. We're passing the Upper East Inlet. All right, she is in sight. Let's go take a look. Let's check this bad girl out. All right, here we are, Lake Verna. Trail kind of takes you along Lake Verna. Emily just ran into some people that were camping up here. I don't know, mid-October camping out here sounds pretty cold.
Official trail ends.
Passing the Lake Verna campsite. Colorado River cutthroat trout at Fifth Lake. We're coming towards the end of Lake Verna. Looks like there's a giant beach over there on the east shore. So far, this unimproved trail is not bad whatsoever. You can see that there's a couple of fallen down trees as I pass 4 in a row. Nothing too crazy, but what is crazy is straight ahead is gonna be the 50th lake I've been to and photographed in Rocky Mountain National Park. So guys, let's go check out Spirit Lake. All right, and just like that, we are leaving Spirit Lake. Now it's onward to 4th Lake. Ran into a couple of people camping out here at Verna Lake. Said that they turned back because of too many fallen down trees. I don't think that's gonna be us though. Without further ado, let's get it. All right, guys, in no time from Spirit Lake, we are rolling up on our 4th lake of the day, 4th Lake. That, my friends, is a tree root. Check out these views, guys. We're here at almost to Boulder Grand Pass, way up there. Looks like the Cleaver off to the right. Pretty amazing views. All right, so we pinpointed our route up the 5th Lake. We got to get up there and get down before this storm comes. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're almost there. This is a steep one. We have made it 10.5 miles into the trail. We are here, 5th Lake. We are here at Fifth Lake, and I think we're gonna head back. It's starting to snow pretty hard now. Yeah, we got a nice little casual 10-mile walk back to the trailhead. Hopefully the weather clears up by the time we get to Adams Falls, because we didn't get to see it this morning because of the dark. So hopefully, see you soon. If you're looking for hard hikes and information on them, especially in Rocky Mountain National Park, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. Eventually going to be hitting up all the lakes and showing you all footage that you're not going to see anywhere else on YouTube. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Looking for more hard, difficult, beautiful day hikes, go ahead and subscribe. But we're pretty tired right now, and we're kind of weird when we hike. Even though we just did 20 miles of hiking, we haven't ate nothing yet. So good thing about the East Inlet Trailhead at Rocky Mountain National Park west side is that the village with all the bars and restaurants is literally 3 minutes away. We're gonna hit that up, have a beer 3, couple of cheeseburgers, french fries, all that good stuff. We're about 0.1 miles from the trailhead right now, and once we get to the trailhead, it gets kind of windy. With that being said, until the next hike, catch y'all around.